Let me show you how to make a delicious, filling meal for the family for under $10. One rotisserie chicken. This was $4.98. I got this from Sam's, but you can get one at Costco, you can get it at Walmart. Even my local chain grocery stores have rotisserie chickens. They're all around the same price. I'm gonna take all the skin and put it on a sheet pan, and we're gonna crisp that up in the oven and use that as a topping. You can even save these bones to make a chicken stock. Setting this all to the side, I'm gonna shred it up real small. Now all this juice in the bottom, don't throw that away, we're gonna use that. One head of broccoli, $1.23. I'm gonna cut this down into some relatively large pieces and then throw it into some boiling water until tender, and then I'm gonna cut it down into some smaller pieces. Greens from some scallions, 49 cents. Got our cooked broccoli. Just gonna cut this down into smaller pieces. I could have cut this down beforehand, but it would have just gone everywhere. Got 2 cups of dried cooked white rice. This was $1.62. Now you can do this in a rice cooker, you can do this on the stovetop, or if you want to pay a little bit extra, you can get like the instant rice. It's completely up to you. Add this to a big bowl. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce. This equals out to about 29 cents. I'm also gonna add all the juice from the rotisserie chicken. Add our broccoli. About 3/4 of our green onions. I'm just gonna save a little bit to go on top. Some black pepper. And all of our chicken. Now we're just gonna give this a mix. Some of our crispy chicken skin. And some more of our green onions. There you go. This will make 4 to 5 portions about this size. Let me show you how to make this one-pan budget meal for under $10 to feed your family. First, let's grab our ingredients. Gonna grab a pack of these chicken thighs, that's gonna be our protein. Gonna grab some of these frozen vegetables that has onions, bell peppers, and celery. Some orzo, that's gonna be the bulk of our meal. Get some chicken broth to cook the orzo in. And we're gonna season everything with a pack of this fajita seasoning, but you can use whatever you want to.
Nice.
Bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Gonna use a little bit of this to season our chicken, and then the rest is gonna go in the orzo. We're gonna start these skin side down in a cold pan. By starting this skin side down in a cold pan, it's gonna gradually come up to temp, and this skin's going to release a ton of fat. We're gonna use that for the chicken, and we're also gonna use that for the veggies. Chicken's in the pan, I'm gonna put this on a medium heat. Now this will tell you when the skin is crispy. It'll stick to the pan right now, but once it's ready, it'll release fully without any fat, and you can flip it. A ton of fat has rendered out of the chicken thighs, and they have released. All right, I'm just gonna set these to the side. All right, we're left with all this delicious stuff on the bottom. That's called fond. That's not trash, that's flavor, homie. We're still on a medium heat. I'm gonna throw in the orzo and let it toast. We're just gonna let this toast up in the fats for a couple of minutes. All right, we're gonna toss in our veggies, and all the extra liquid that comes off of these, it's gonna help deglaze that pan. If the bottom starts to burn any, you can put a splash of your chicken stock or some water to help it along. We're gonna let this go for another 2 to 3 minutes. And you'll start to notice that that liquid's helping to lift up that fond on the bottom. Now I'm gonna add the rest of our seasoning. Give it a little mix, and we're gonna add all of our chicken stock. This is about 4 cups of chicken stock. That was 2 cups of orzo. Orzo is a 2-to-1 ratio. So one of those little boxes plus one of these cartons is perfect. Mix that around to get the seasoning incorporated. Bring this to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add the chicken back. Don't forget any of those juices. I'm gonna turn this down to the lowest heat that I can to keep a simmer. Cover it and let it go for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and check it out. All that's left to do is plate it up and enjoy. Let me show you how to make a super easy budget meal for less than $10. First off, for our protein, we're gonna grab a pound of this frozen ground turkey. 2 packs of this Spanish rice, that will be our bulk. We'll grab a can of tomatoes and green chilies, some black beans, a block of Colby Jack, a pack of this taco seasoning, but pick whichever kind you like, And these onions didn't have a price, so I took a gamble and it was exactly 50 cents. We'll start by getting a rough dice on our onion and shredding our cheese and setting that to the side. I let my turkey thaw and now I'm going to put it in a pan over a high heat. I'm going to let this cook about halfway and then add our onions, and then I'm going to continue to cook this until the turkey meat is completely done and the onions have turned translucent. Add your taco seasoning and give it a little mix, followed by your drained tomatoes and green chilies, as well as your beans that have also been drained and rinsed. Add both packets of your rice and 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cover for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes are up, cut the heat off, give it one final mix, and top it with your cheese. Cover this and let it sit for 5 minutes. This made a ton of food, so if you have a large family, it's perfect for that. Or if you just want to have a bunch of leftovers. If you like this meal, go ahead and drop a follow because I'll be making a lot more of these budget-friendly meals. Thanks for watching.